Alright, what's going on YouTube, baby, and welcome to the channel. You are kicking it with Kelvin. Hey, if you ain't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can make sure you can get all this good content when we drop it, baby. Now guys, we just got home and I got a little package in the mail. As you can see from this title, baby, yes, I got some LED side markers I'm about to install on my 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. If you don't know what LED side markers is, let me go and show you. These are side markers, guys. This little thing you see right here is a side marker. You got one in the front and you got one in the back, as you see right here. I ordered these on Amazon. It took a little minute to get here. Let me see them, open them up right now, see what they got in the box. I'm gonna pull one of them out real quick. Let me see here. Okay, as y'all see right here, got my side markers in. Why they look green? Y'all see that? They look green. I don't know. Hope they ain't green. Hope they ain't sent me the wrong shit. But yeah, so we got the side markers in, y'all. We gonna get these installed today. I gotta take these tires off the car so I can make sure I can work the way I want to. And we're gonna go ahead and get this done. I'm gonna show y'all what tools y'all need to get it done, what y'all need to then take it off with, and we're gonna do it together, baby. Let's get to it. Ooh, look how good that tire is, YouTube. Look how good it is. If y'all had not seen my last video, what I did when I put the tires on this car, make sure y'all go check out that last video. I'm gonna drop it down in the description. Y'all check that out too. The tires are so bald, you can see the air in them, bro. I ain't lying. Go check out the video, baby. All right, YouTube. So we got all the tires off the car now. So I only got 2 jack stands. By the way, if y'all don't have no jack stands, make sure y'all go to Harbor Freight and check out them jack stands right there. I got mine. I just opened it today. My first time opening it. This is what they look like, matter of fact. Got it from Harbor Freight. They was on sale for like $29, 3 ton, 6,000 pounds, baby. Make sure y'all go get some of them at Harbor Freight. Also, my old video, you can check out. I put new rotors and brakes on my car too. But the car is on jack stands, y'all. It's not sitting on the tire, as you can see. See, it ain't sitting on the tire. I just got the tire up on it just for safety precautions, just in case, but you never know. So the car is on the jack stands. On the back is on the jack. On this side, same scenario I just told y'all. Safety precautions, still on the jack stand. And then I didn't have another jack, so I used my truck jack. But anyways, we up in the air, baby. We gotta get to it. Now I'm finna to show y'all what tools and everything you need to get this job done, what you need to take off to get everything done on the car. If y'all hear some unnecessary wind, you know, I apologize. It's a little windy today, but I'm trying to get this job done for y'all. So if you hear some wind, excuse it, I apologize. Let's get back to it. Guys, I got everything laid out now. And the more it's sitting in the sunlight, I'm starting to look like it look green, y'all. I swear it do, but maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm tripping. We'll see when we get it installed. But the tools that you're gonna need, obviously the lights. You're gonna need a wrench or a screwdriver with a T25. See if y'all can see that. T25, you see how it's made? It look like an Allen key, almost. But T25 is the size you're gonna need to get the screw off. You're gonna need a screwdriver or a pry bar. And the reason I'm saying that is because when you come down here, we're gonna start on the driver front, y'all. You got these little clips right here, and they gotta be taken out. There's one there, one here. I might not have to pull that one, but I might. But it's one here, and then you got one up here. That's on the driver's side. Once you pull them back, and then the light will be exposed, and what you'll want to do is bend this back a little bit and have something to hold it. Once you have that, you can go ahead and pull your light out and hook everything. Go ahead and pull this first one out. Like I told you, you're gonna need a screwdriver, or you need like a little pry tool, something just to go around it to pull this piece right here out. So what you're doing is putting this in here, and what you're trying to do is pull it out. So if you can't get it with the screwdriver like I'm doing right here, just put it enough for you to get this piece back here. Slide it on there, pull it sideways, pop it out, just like that. Easy and simple, baby. And guys, make sure y'all take y'all time with your stuff, man. Don't break your stuff, man. Get the one at the bottom I was telling you about. Same process. And then you get your one that's at the top up here too. Don't forget about that one. See, I ain't need a piece for that. It popped out right out. Once y'all got all that out, like this right here. Remember that screwdriver I was telling you about? Take that screwdriver, put it up in here somewhere. Find you a good point. And hold it. Just like this. That's what that screwdriver really for now. Even other than prying this out, that's what that screwdriver for. To hold this so you can be able to get this light out. Now let me show you what we're working with in here. I can't get all the way up in there, y'all. I'm trying to show you the best way I know how. Y'all see right here, you gonna have one right here. There's gonna be one right here. Them two, right over that screwdriver at. So I'm gonna have to move that screwdriver and put it on that side. But you got one right here. See the little bolt, a screw, and you got one down here. Once you take them out, the light will come out. Once you break it loose, guys, just take this, put it back there, and just twist it out. As you see, the light already loose. Now, once you get them two screws out, pull it out, baby. You have a clamp back here. See a little piece right here? See it right up? You want to mash this and pull it off. That's it. And that one is out. Now we got it out. You want to make sure you take it. Make sure you match it up. Make sure they're the same. Make sure they're in the same direction they're going. See it is. They flat at the bottom. Angle at the top. See it? Angle at the top. And if you don't know, it's gonna say it right here at the back. Left side. It don't say left driver or nothing like that. It just say left side. So that's when you gotta use your common sense and put it together. Now you got the other one off. Everything. Mostly just do the same thing you just did to take it off. Plug it back up. Tighten it back up. Put your clips back in. Keep going. I got a feeling these damn things green. If it is, it's okay. Something different. But damn, this could kind of make me feel some type of way. I'd rather it been red with me having the gremlin on the side that's red. Alright guys, that side is in there now. We're gonna pull that plastic off of there. I swear y'all, I got a feeling this thing is green. I swear. I'm gonna hit the little remote keypad right here. Let's see what happened. What the hell?
You gotta be fucking lying.
What's wrong, dude?
Well, hell no, God, hell no.
Why the hell they ain't coming? Is that one on? Hell yeah, that one on. Why the hell it ain't coming on? I know I just, the headlight on, right? Yeah, the headlight on. What the hell it ain't coming on for? Man, I know motherfucking you lying. I know damn well.
Oh my God, hell no, bro. You know these niggas just did.
I know this ain't the kind I think it is, where you gotta turn all this other shit on to make it work. Let me see. Let me try the headlights real quick. This motherfucker better be on, boy. I'm gonna lose it.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, y'all, we ain't figured our first damn problem. Okay, that's how they look. It looks straight. LED, that mother bright as hell too. It's daylight, y'all. Look how bright it is. Damn. That might be, shit. What if motherfucker bright, son? What in the world? So we encountered our first problem with the LED lights, man. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. When I hit my lights, let me shut this door so you make sure y'all hear me right. It's already windy. When I hit my lights on the side, or I hit my keys or whatever, the factory lights, these right here, they light up. So when I walk into the car and I hit my remote pad or remote start, it lights up. But when I put these in here, they don't light up when you hit the keypad. You got to turn the headlights on or turn the car on in some type of way. Is it running for it to come on? So that's the first problem I don't like with these on Amazon. So I'm gonna tell you right now, they might not stay in that car that long. I'll probably get the RBGs. Like you said, it came from Amazon, so I'll probably get the RBGs with my headlights, cause I want to change them too. And just change all of that, because I don't like that. I want to be able to hit my damn keypad and it come on. But still, they look straight. Another thing I don't like so far, they're green. Remember I just told y'all, the way they look, see the sun hitting it? Like, you could tell they look green or yellowish. So Amazon up already. They're supposed to be sending me the clear kind, the ones that when they come on, they like rotate their way up, like they come up from the bottom, go all the way up, go back down to the bottom again, then come back on full. That's the ones I'm supposed to been getting, but obviously they sent me the wrong ones, as y'all can see. They straight, you know, I got the damn red scheme going on with the black and red for the Gremlin, but the green, it's alright, man. It's good. It might throw my look off a little bit, but honestly, I like stuff that's different. So I might just go ahead and leave them on there right now. Like I said, might do the RBGs sooner or later, but they might just stay for right now, cause it do look different. So let me go on to the next one. I'm gonna do a backside so y'all can see how to do the backside, but that kind of disappointed me a little bit, but it is what it is, man. Everything in life ain't peaches and cream, baby. You gotta keep it moving. Same process with the backside, y'all. You go one up. Damn, mine missing one, as you see right here. But you're supposed to take out this one. Supposed to take out that one. This one right here. And you're gonna have one at the top, a little bit above the light right here. You take, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them out, bend it back the same way I just did the front. Take the light out. Put the other light back in, put everything back the way it's supposed to be, and put your tire back on. So let me go ahead and get this side done. I'm gonna do the other passenger side, and then I'll put all the tires back on, and we're gonna show y'all how it look. A day and night comparison. So since it's daytime, we'll do a night comparison too, and then we go from there. Let's get to it.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it.
Damn, that was easier than the front.
Nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how Britain is.
Open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't been like him. Fucking with a G.
Alright, YouTube, they are installed now, baby. As you see them, they on there. All the way around, got the tires all the way back on now. So the whole side on. And I'm gonna light them up now. See if they come on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all a little start real quick. Let it crank it up real quick, cause like I said, I don't understand why it's doing that. Because as y'all see, maybe it's just my car. I don't know. But when I went to open the door, I just opened the door and look at this. They on. So that one on. For some reason, that one is not on. I don't like that. As you see, the headlights on. This side not on. But again, if you touch the door, see, that one on too. So the back comes on, but the front don't come on until you actually start the car. I don't know if that's a thing Dodge got going on. It can't be because of factory. It was doing it with the factory, so I don't know. But let's go ahead and start the car real quick and light all of them up and see what's going on. Show y'all how they look. Hold on, y'all, I gotta unlock it real quick. Hold up. You know, they be stealing and everything. And then I got my car lock on that too, and I don't want that going off. If y'all don't know what car lock is, well, shit, I ain't gonna show y'all because I got my address on it. Then y'all know where I stay at. But I'm gonna go to the next screen so you won't see this. So, like, for example, y'all go look at my other video too. I'm gonna drop that down there in the description. I got a thing on here called car lock. Y'all might want to get you one of them if y'all got these cars, because the Apple AirTags ain't doing it no more. These, I'll let you know, but you go watch the video. I describe everything what's going on in the video. But if y'all can, go get y'all damn car lock. And with car lock, you get stuff like this right here. Make sure my address ain't in it. Trust y'all. Stuff like this right here. As y'all see, it states stuff like engine started, vibration detection, security ended, all type of stuff. When you crank it up and when you turn it off, they tell you everywhere where you're going, what you got going on. If you got the new features, like the new stuff that came in, you can dial the car down and tell how fast the car can go, all type of stuff. But go check that out on one of my videos. I'm dropping down there in the description for the car lock thing too. Let's check these lights out. They sound good, boy. They look straight, man. They okay. They bright as hell though. And that's daytime. It's not even nighttime yet. See how they look. Now, honestly, low key, even though I got a little red scheme going on, I kinda like the green emblem. I like the green side markers. They look good. They look real good. It's different too. I like that. Now we got that taken care of or whatever. Step over here so I can talk to y'all. Alright, so y'all mostly watch me put on my side markers for my 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video on out right here. The last thing y'all gonna see is a nighttime view of how everything look at nighttime. So I'm gonna wait for it to get dark, and then I'm gonna show you how it look at nighttime. But in the meantime, baby, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you ain't already hit it. Hit that notification bell so you can make sure you can get all this good content when we drop it, baby. And I'll make sure I see y'all on the next one. And y'all be safe out there. Bling, blah, wow. Boom.
Fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call.